Ciao, this is Vito from Vito's Italian Cucina. Thanks for joining us again today. Today, what I'm going to do is a version of my marinara sauce, the Sunday sauce, which we love. And I have a little bit of marinara right here at the start. And as you can see, some pasta, a nice pomodoros, tomatoes, some sausage, and some meatballs that are pre-cooked already. And then I'm going to be doing the pasta, of course. So for now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some tomato paste. There's the tomato paste in the size can my mom used to use. What we do is we scoop out the tomato paste and we put it in here just like so. And then what I do is my mother says we use 3 cans of water. So it's 3 cans of water per this size of tomato paste. And today, what I'm going to do is the water I'm using is what we use in our home every day now. It's called the Epic Pure Water Filter System. And this is the picture. Look at how beautiful this looks. Nice bamboo handle, right? And I'll show you what the deal is on this. There's a filter in here. It lasts from 3 to 5 months, depending on how much you use. Easy to fill up at your faucet. Once you fill it up, it'll drain down and you're ready to go. Now this filter that's in there, there's a clean water club. That's right, at Epic purewaterfilters.com, that is. What you do is you recycle it and they'll send you another one. Isn't that great? Everything is environmentally correct right now. I love it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill this up with the pure water inside of the container. And here we go. As it's spilling everywhere. That's 1 and 2 and 3. Look at that. Just like that. I love that. By the way, Pure Water Filters and the picture and all the products at epicwaterfiltersystems.com use the discount code Vito's Italian Cucina. That's Vito's Italian Cucina. Get 15% off. You're going to love it. So then what I do is I go ahead and I stir this in and get it ready to go. But you know what? While I'm doing this, I just want to tell you that not only do we use this water consumption of the Pure Water Filter System by Epic for our human friends here at our home and our family, but we have animals here that love it too. We have Charlie, our cat. We have hummingbirds that come and we fill up the sugar thing with Pure Water Filter water, and they love it too. And guess what? We have a newcomer that landed on our roof this morning, and it's our goose. That's right, it's our goose. And this goose, we call him Gus. Gus the goose, that's right. And I said to him outside while he was up on the roof, I said, "You like our pure water?" He heard about it, by the way. Look at this reaction. Isn't that something? So anyway, don't forget, here at Vito's Italian Cucina, you can get the Pure Water Filter pitcher and many other products that they have. They have thermoses for on the go, and you're going to love those also. Those are also with filters, and they're recyclable. So don't forget, Vito's Italian Cucina, 15% off. You're going to love it. Well, it's time to go to the market to get some food for next week's episode on Vito's Italian Cucina. Remember, epicwaterfilters.com is where you go for a 15% discount. That's right. Where? epicwaterfilters.com, and use the discount code Vito's Italian Cucina. How can you forget that? Anyway, off we go. And before I leave to go outside the house and get out there for the day, I'm using the Epic Water Filters thermos. Look how beautiful. Look at that color. And on the back side, it's got all these increments to tell you how much water you're drinking for the day. Guess what? One of these filters makes up for 550 plastic bottles of water. You're saving. Look, you're saving the world. You're saving the earth. So go ahead and get it. You're going to love it. But for now, I better get to the market. I think people are waiting to see what I'm doing next. Thanks for joining us again here at Vito's Italian Cucina. Ciao for now. Bye.